Did you ever get that one meal you've been eating so long it's practically part of your DNA? Well, this right here is mine. Same breakfast since I was about 12 years old. I'm almost 60 now, and somehow I've not gotten bored of it. Today, though, we're taking my lifelong breakfast routine and turning it into a training exercise. Because in just 9 hours, I'll be eating one of the hottest peppers in the world, the Dorset Naga. Yeah, the pepper, not the sauce. The actual pepper. And my friend Jason from the Allotment of the Dead is crazy enough to do it with me. I've become a creature of habit. Every morning I fix the same thing. Because my ADD brain knows it so well, I barely have to think about it. It's comforting, it's familiar. It's breakfast on autopilot. Eggs go in a bowl, whisked up, splash of milk, right into the microwave. No pan, no fuss. It's fast, easy, and I can do it half asleep, which most days I am. Now, a number of years ago, I started adding my own fermented hot sauce to this routine. At first, just half a teaspoon, about 2.5 milliliters. I did it for health reasons, which I'll talk more about later, but it had a real measurable effect, and I know because I kept careful records. This was the only new thing in my diet, and it changed things for the better, so I stuck with it. Over time, though, my tolerance started creeping up. You know how it goes. You start small, and before you know it, you're casually spooning lava into your breakfast. About a month ago, I started training for this big event. I upped the dosage. Half a teaspoon became 1, then a tablespoon, 15 milliliters. And now, well, today's breakfast clocked in at 60 overflowing milliliters. That's 4 heaping tablespoons of pure fermented fire. This batch is the hottest sauce I've ever made. Scotch Bonnet, Fatali, Peri Peri, Habanero, Thai Hot, Dragon Cayenne, and a few jalapenos. No carrots, no onions, no fruit. Just the peppers. Fermented, never cooked. Mix 50-50 with rice vinegar, which keeps the flavor clean and doesn't dull the heat. So yeah, you could say breakfast has become an adventure. Each bite is a small act of faith. I take that first forkful, and I can almost hear the theme from Mission Impossible playing in the background. But it's good. It wakes me up, clears my sinuses, and reminds me that we're alive for the experience, not the comfort. So join us in 9 hours for the Dorset Naga live event. Me and Jason from Allotment of the Dead will be eating the Dorset Naga pepper itself, live, on camera, for your entertainment and probably your concern. We'll be going live at 3 p.m. Central, that's 4 p.m. Eastern and 2100 British Standard Time. You can find the YouTube stream link right down in the description or in the pinned comments below. And yes, we'll be taking guests from the audience right on screen through StreamYard. So if you want to join us for a laugh, or just watch two grown men question their life choices in real time, you're welcome to. So grab your favorite beverage of choice, maybe a fire extinguisher, and tune in for the fun. Because after all, your garden doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be yours. Have a blessed day.